Start with the strip of about 1 foot long, sturdy.
Show me the lace thing. The row comes off of.
This sturdy material worked a little better.
Okay.
Held its shape. And if you want the lace to show, or whatever pattern you're using, make it face you. And you start by folding the corners just a little bit past the end of the ribbon. And then you're going to roll this corner in to create the center of your flower. And then I'm just going to glue that down. Just a little hot glue. And then you fold away from yourself. So you kind of fold and twist, holding the center of your flower. And then you fold and twist. And this ribbon gets a little crazy, but that's just straighten it out. Fold and twist. And when you start to get your flower kind of forming, I like to go in and push everything kind of up over that center part that you rolled, and it kind of compacts it a little bit. Makes it flatter. Then you just keep on with your roll. This is probably a good place to add some glue so it doesn't unravel. Don't burn yourself with glue. Owie. And just keep rolling it away from yourself. And you start to get your flower shape. Add a little more glue without burning you this time. And make sure you push up so you kind of get a little stem going for your flower. Then I'm going to just cut off to make it a little easier to glue down. Just glue everything down in the back. And don't burn yourself. Make sure it looks right up top. Definitely burned myself. Cut that little tip off. And there you have it. And if you want to make it flat to glue something to glue it to something, you just cut this part off. All as flat as you can get it without cutting any of your petals. And then I like to make sure so it stays together. Don't burn yourself. Lick your finger first. There you go.
Voila. Beautiful.